Hey guys, this is Fundom on Manchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Lily considered cutting ties with someone closer to her, and the Kaba house faced many challenges. While Vega Gift received a call reception, the commission's toilet rose a spine in the Twala investigation. While Madongwe listening the church members and her friend talking about her, about the states that was living in. And it seems like Madlala betrayed his friend and gossiping with her name on the members of the church. While Nonka got a second chance on the harbor to sell her product, and he'd been like surprised on her when Nosipo tell her that he must continue with selling his hair product. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.